Hi guys, we're at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe Thorpe. Come on then. There we go. Now after
we now have the, don't really want to say the code to be honest. The,
now we've had about a
1420 train to Lima 69 East Midlands train service from Leicester.
We've had about a 40-minute wait, so...
About 35.
Andrew's going after this, but I might stay for a couple more. Just coming back again.
It's not very stable. Once against Ralston. Like more than that bad.
Ralston's alright.
Not with the gates, just like
Especially with hot weather, it's a lot more I bet it'll be really squeaky when it's hot weather.
Why not check her later then, Joe? Check her later.
Yeah. In the front page there.
Fuck off me. But it was a green thing, it's just a green dragonfly instead.
Yeah.
Up there. Here's Leicester already.
Oh yeah.
Brayford waiting for us to go.
156404 from Leicester.
Once again.
One 156404 from Leicester and up they go.
Yeah, of course they do.
Not for long.
10 minutes is long. Thanks guys, I shall see you in the next video.
What he said.